These are the 5 deadliest fighter jets dominating the skies.
Number 5. Russia's Su-35S Super Flanker. This beast hits Mach 2.25 and can perform maneuvers that literally break the laws of physics. Those thrust vectoring engines, pure insanity. Number 4. The F-15EX Eagle II. America's missile truck, carrying 22 air-to-air missiles, more firepower than any fighter on Earth. Not stealthy, doesn't need to be.
Number 3. China's J-20 Mighty Dragon. Over 200 operational aircraft makes this the world's second most numerous stealth fighter. Beijing's challenging American air dominance head-on.
Number 2. The F-22 Raptor. Still the undisputed king of dogfighting. Supercruise at Mach 1.8, thrust-to-weight ratio of 1.37, and stealth that makes it invisible. This jet sees you before you even know it's there. Number 1. The F-35 Lightning II. Not the fastest, not the most agile, but it's a flying supercomputer with 360-degree sensors and data fusion that makes it the quarterback of modern warfare. Over 700 operational worldwide. This is the future.
Which would you fly? Drop a comment. Follow for more military content.